my channel. Today, this is me, William Charlotte, and this is my BF.
Yay! Okay, now tell them who your friend is.
She's Crystal Ice.
She's Crystal Ice, and did you make her a Build-A-Bear?
Yes, and she's already made on, and she's right, and with that one word, sided, seated, right, and then he sees her darkness, and then see daddy, and see the beer.
So basically, you're saying that you guys match outfits, and you have the same tutu on?
Yeah!
Say woo, tutu!
Yeah,
So today on Charlotte's show, she's going to unbox an LOL doll.
present.
Little brother Graham wanted to join in on the fun.
Do you need my help?
Yeah!
Oh, no you don't. Look, you got it.
Got it.
What's in there? It's like a little present.
Whoa. What is it? This one is for you.
I'll get it started.
And Graham. Then you.
All right, what's in the first pack?
It's a cute dress.
Wow.
New dress. And a bracelet.
So you've got a dress and a bracelet so far.
What else is in there?
And do this part.
How many more bags are in there?
One,
Oh my gosh.
two, three. Cute little pieces. Cutter.
Oh, a cutter.
Hat.
Oh, so cute. What else?
These are just nothing. Those are mine. These are mine.
Here, give me the other ones and I'll help you open them.
No, we're going to take the later.
Okay.
Remember what I said? We can play this back today. What? Hello, that baby.
Show them all the LOL dolls that you can get in your box. It could be one of these LOL dolls. Whoa!
If you keep opening the surprises, we might figure out which one you got.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh my god.
Good job.
Oh, he's only so good. Oh, he's so sparkly. He's white and pink.
Oh, perfect. I love that.
Looks like a little coffee cup. So cute. Oh, good job. What could it be? What's in there?
What could it be?
Oh,
Need my help?
yay. A shoe.
Hold it up so everyone can see. To the camera.
I see two crystal shoes.
Wow, those are so cute.
Yes, they're boots actually.
Two crystal boots.
Is that the doll? That big pepper, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
Let's see. Is it the sister? A little sister?
God, she's naked. She's not wearing any clothes.
pink. See what I got. Oh, this is Hey Doo. Aww. They got pink hair.
Hold it up to the camera. Show everyone. Say, look at the doll I got.